Good morning everyone, welcome back to S&B visiting a National Trust property, Hughenden Manor. So let's have a look round. We're standing on the rear elevation here, just looking at the magnificent building behind me. It has some well kept gardens here, urns and planters. This property is a high elevation property sat on top of a hill. We're just showing you around the rear garden here at the moment with these flower beds that they've just planted out. Lots of yew trees and box hedges here. A view inside the library here, all in alphabetical. And here we have the drawing room or parlour room. Beautiful paintings and decoration. Drawing room. Here they're busy planting the summer bedding plants. Little rose garden there. Then they have a little woodland walk looking down over through the trees. It's a view looking back at the rear elevation of the property. It's a view from the house looking down the southeasterly elevation. We're on the side of the property. Here is the front elevation with the driveway. With this oval driveway that runs around the property. Now we're going to head down here for some further views. Halfway down the garden, looking back at the side elevation where we were just a minute ago. Looking out over the landscape. You can hear the traffic roaring down the bottom there. So thanks for watching S&B Diaries from Hughenden Manor in High Wycombe in England. Bye for now guys.